Tons of toys. I'm Romeo from PJ Masks. You all know me. I was a little bored today. So, you know those pesky characters from Paw Patrol? Yeah. I got those guys and I stuck their heads in Play-Doh. Oh, that was so much fun. Now, the only way they're gonna get their heads out of that Play-Doh is if someone helps them out. And before they can get their heads out of that Play-Doh, they have to open a Play-Doh can that they're standing on and see what kind of surprise toys are there. They will never escape! I am much happier now. They're stuck! Forever! Does anyone know where we are? Is that you, Chase? It's Zuma. My head's stuck in something. Mine too. I think it's Play-Doh. How can we get out? Hey guys, it's Sky. I'm hoping the good people on Tons of Toys will help us out. Let's help out our good friends from Paw Patrol. Let's open up some Play-Doh cans, see if there's any surprise toys, and help save Paw Patrol. But first, what color is our Play-Doh? Purple. Green. Yellow. And red. What color should we help out first? Should we open the red can? The yellow can? How about the green can? Let's start with purple. What's in our purple Play-Doh can? It looks like more purple Play-Doh. Who's in here? This looks like a character from the Littlest Pet Shop. Do you know Toria Hanley? Toria Hanley is a cute little puppy. He's blue with darker blue ears and pink eyes. And one blue paw. Super cute. It looks like there's one more. It's Barden Barday! Barden is a kitty cat. Kind of a orange-red with some purple and big green eyes. Help, let me out! Let's take off this purple Play-Doh. Who is that? It's Zuma! You know Zuma. Zuma's our water rescue dog. He's a brown puppy with orange hat and an orange life vest. Looks like today, he's ready to go clomping through the mud. He's got his green boots. Thanks for saving me, guys. Let's help out the puppy in the green Play-Doh. Remember, first, we have to open up the Play-Doh can. Oh, there's more green Play-Doh. What do we have in here? Oh, it looks like something purple. Oh, it's another member of the Littlest Pet Shop. Do you remember who this is? That's right, it's Mori Suricat. Mori Suricat is purple, and she has big green eyes. Super cute. What else do we have in our Play-Doh? Oh, look at that. This little cute pet is our question of the day. If you know who this is, make sure to comment below. This little cute critter is a light blue with purple big eyes and a swirl of brown hair. You know who this is? Let's save our Paw Patrol character. Who is inside the green Play-Doh? Oh, it's Sky. Thanks for saving me, guys. Woof woof. Let's save our friend in the yellow Play-Doh. But first, what's in our Play-Doh can? Oh, it's more Play-Doh. Who is that stuck in that Play-Doh? Oh, that's right. It's Lolly Shields. You know Lolly. Lolly is the pink turtle. Lolly has big green eyes and a purple turtle shell to protect her. Look at her. Who else is in our Play-Doh? Oh, we know this one because she's so glittery. You know Ziza Glitterton? She's blue with green eyes and she's super glittery. Let's save our Paw Patrol character. Who's in the yellow Play-Doh? Can you guess? Oh, it's Rubble! Rubble on the double! Thanks for saving me, guys. We have one more Paw Patrol character to save. What's in our red Play-Doh can? Oh, that's right. That's Brina Bowerman. Brina is a little kitty who is pink, has dark hair, and big blue eyes. Look at her. Who else is in our Play-Doh? Something yellow. Can you guess who this is? This is one of my favorite Littlest Pet Shop characters. It's Devin Drake. Devin is a little bird. He's yellow, a little orange bill, and blue eyes. Let's save our Paw Patrol character. Who's in the red Play-Doh? It's Chase! Chase on the case! Thanks for saving me tons of toys. Now you know Chase as our police dog. He's got a blue helmet, blue officer's outfit on, and a blue backpack. He's always out saving other animals. Man, it's such a relief to be out of that Play-Doh. It was stifling in there. How did you guys escape the Play-Doh? Romeo, you've been a bad boy. Now we have a surprise for you. Oh no! It's so slimy! Oh, so much slime! Hey guys, if you enjoyed watching Romeo get slimed, and watching these Paw Patrol characters get saved from Play-Doh, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you never miss an episode.